Morning children, I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So in the previous session we have completed our lesson water for all. So today we are going to do the textbook work of this lesson. So first see here, color the clouds blue for the things which need water to live. So here we have to color the clouds which needs water to live. So fish. What is fish? Fish needs water to live. So color the fish by using a blue color crayon. So what is the next one? Baby. Baby also needs water to live. So color this cloud. So next is a pencil. Does pencil need water to live? No. And what is the next one? Cat. Cat also needs water to live. So color the cloud. Which color you should use? Blue color. So take out the page number 80 and what is the first bit? Tick the correct answer. So in the below given questions you should tick the correct answer. So I'll read the first one. What is the first one? We need these to drink, bath, cook food and wash clothes. So what are the options? Milk, water, juice. So what we need to do all these things? We need water. Answer is B, water. Second one, water can be saved by collecting and using water from taps, water from wells, rainwater. So you will collect rainwater and save them. So what is the answer? Answer C, rainwater. Third one, when heated changes to. So when we are heating water, it changes to ice, water vapor, clouds. Good. What is the answer? Water vapor. When you heat the water, water changes into water vapor. Next B bit. Write T for true or F for false. So I'll start from the first question. So what is the first one? There can be life without water. So is there life without water? No. So what you need to write? False. The statement is false. So you need to write F. Next one. The water we drink should be pure and clean. Is it true? Yes. Write T in the box. Next one. We must turn off taps after use. Yes. Answer is true. Write T. Fourth one. When cooled, water changes into steam. True. False. When cooled, water changes into ice. Fifth one, in nature, water does not change its form. False, because water changes its form on heating and cooling. Next, C bit. What is the C bit? Match the columns. You have to match. So you have to match these with the right answers. So what is the first one? Well. What is well? From the well we are going to get the water, no? Underground water. So boiling water. When you boil the water, what happens? The germs which are present in water are killed. Boiling water kills germs. Water filter. So in the water filter, why we use water filter? To drink clean water. So clean water. So now what is the next one? Save. This one only is there now in this column. So save water. You should save the water and you should not waste it. So this is for the today's session. Complete the work in your textbooks. So remaining textbook work we will write in the next session. Thank you.